My fridge is a mess. It is long overdue for a deep clean. So let's clean my fridge. This is what we're working with here. As you guys know, we were sick, so I honestly haven't gone to the grocery store in 2 weeks, and I also haven't been cleaning the fridge. We've just been running errands, grabbing what we need, coming home, and that's the result of that. So let's do it. I have an audience. Okay, so that like not everything goes bad and the fridge doesn't get too warm, what I like to do is take off like one shelf at a time and then go through this and figure out like what needs to get thrown out, and then we go from there. Yes, honey. She's very happy today. We go through a crazy amount of sour cream in this house, and we actually, for the first time ever, ran out last week, and then Carl and I both went out unwillingly. So now we have an oversupply of sour cream. That'll last like 4 days. These expired August 12th. That's how you know we're getting to the back of the fridge. Like, apparently you're supposed to put your fruit in airtight containers because the exposure to the oxygen is what makes the fruit go bad so quickly. So if anyone knows if that's true or not, like, yes, honey, if we have any chemists or like scientists, like let me know. Who would know that? Okay, I wiped down the shelves with some warm water because I don't really like to use anything else in the fridge. I am gonna do those next. Let's see. So the drawers come out, so I'll get those next. But for right now, we gotta get the good stuff back in there. Okay, everything's back in there. If you couldn't tell, we love yogurt. But yeah, so it doesn't look aesthetic yet. My next video will be restocking. Well, actually, my next video will be grocery shopping and then restocking. But for now, I gotta do the drawers quick. Everyone talks about the Roman Empire. This is my Roman Empire. Like, how does the cheese drawer always get like this? Like, we use so much cheese, but that, like, how does it get like this? Like, how did we get here? I feel like I'm doing this, like, every other month. I don't know. I think about it a lot. I would also like to point out that someone has not noticed what I'm doing. I think he's getting a little bit suspicious now. Someone wanted to run around. Okay, this is the progress. Gotta wipe this out. Do not touch the trash. She's gonna touch it. No. No. I had to set up the barricades. Oh, that's not working today. So, like, that used to work when she was smaller, but oh gosh, now she's coming in from the other border. Kennedy? I'm a mess. I'm restocking, and she got in. And she's clapping. She's doing yay because she's happy. Someone else entered the chat. Okay, here it is. Okay, this is it for now. Bottom two drawers I'm gonna have to do when we get back from the grocery store and someone's napping. All right, I'm gonna get us both dressed. Who am I kidding? We're going out like this. And we're gonna head to the grocery store, so I will see you guys there. What are you two doing? Okay.